Hi guys, today I am going to do underwater volcano. For that we need a big glass of cool water and a small glass of hot water. First we have to pour cold water inside the big glass. I have mixed it inside. Now let's paint some hot water in red. Why? Because the volcano explodes in the red color. For that we can paint the hot water in watercolor or food coloring. I will paint it in watercolor red color. You have to take little bit of red and mix it inside. The hot water we have to keep it inside the cool water, and let's see what happens when we keep it inside. Wow, it explodes! Why? Because water makes the hot water light and it floats. For a change, I am going to put in the big water warm and small water in ice water. And everybody knows always water is blue. So I am going to mix blue color. But first I am going to put ice inside the small one. I have filled ice cubes and water. Now I am going to mix it with blue color. I have mixed it with blue color. Now let's keep it inside the warm glass and let's see what it does. It is not floating. Why? Because the cool water is heavier than the warm water. Now I understand the hot water is lighter than the cool water and the cool water is heavier than the hot water. Hope you like this video. Subscribe and put the thumbs up. Bye bye. And let's meet in the next video. It didn't